Hey guys, welcome back to another hair video, and I look cute, but we're gonna put on a wig, okay? So nah. Anyway, today's sponsor is Julia's Hair, and we are gonna go inside and see what's in this bag. The orange can't hide, okay? The bag cannot hide. You cannot hide. The bag can't hide. So let's see what's in the box. All the goodies, my goodies, all my goodies. Most definitely, oh, a wig is inside. But let's take out all the goodies and I'll show you guys. Oh, it seems like a lot. Hey beauty. So we have wig cap, more wig cap, and nail, and we have an edge band. I assume this is a robe. Yes, it is. It's a robe. Oh, I love the color. It's giving fall. And oh, we have more wig cap. So, and then we have another wig band. And then this is the wig. This should be, it's a 24-inch Yaki Straight, I believe, 7x5. Let's see if I remember. It will be in the description, most definitely. I love how they make the wig secure. Okay. Alright, so this is the inside of the wig. This is how the, oopsie. This is how the closure looks. It's deep. I love Yaki Straight hair. There's just something about it. It feels like my hair, and I really like it. So this is how the hair looks, and it comes with a adjustable band. There is a comb that I love at the back of the wig. Most definitely I love this. And the lace is pre-bleach. So we are gonna definitely install this wig, finesse this wig, and see how it looks. I'm excited. Guys, make sure you like the video, okay? Leave a comment. What do you think about? Have you guys ever tried to wear a Yaki Straight hair? If not, you should. Alright, so as usual, I always bring my hair to the back because I stopped adding cornrows in my hair. I stopped braiding my hair, so I add it to the extreme back, and then I'll put a plait in the hair, and then I'll just pin it up because you want it flat, especially if you're doing like a straight hair. You want to make sure it's flat. So let's keep doing this. Then we're gonna pin up the hair, and then we're gonna style the wig. Add the wig, style the wig. Alright, so I either could, oops, it's coming out too easy. So we're gonna pin this up. Keep on watching.
I made it for nothing, no turn into something from nothing, yeah. Made it through poverty on our minority, yeah, story. Hop on the jet on my property and fly away. Fly, blah, blah, away. Call me a president, yeah, yeah. Straight out the trenches, yeah, yeah. My niggas can't whip me, yeah, yeah. The richest, yeah. Rich nigga got us on seats, yeah. All of these hoes came with it, yeah. All them over get a KB, yeah, yeah, yeah. I try to fight temptation. Top gun is on vacation. I'm not trying to hurt nobody. right in the face. Switch up the swag, switch up the band. Nigga, they jockin' my swag cause it's fashion. I do it bigger than niggas imagine. Heard that bitch making no rumors. She gave more head than a tumor. And I got things I can prove, yeah. I got a rich and getting no diploma. She think it's something got to do with my mama while I can't love her. Like
alright guys, I did a little something because I'm doing all these wigs and something needs to look different. I kind of like it though. So I am going to put the hair up. It is snug on my head for sure, so I like that. We're going to put the band around it. All I did was add the spray. So we're going to put the band around it and then we're going to fix and straighten the hair. Alright, so this is it. The hair is super light. Oopsie. The hair is super light. I always like to go in with the hot comb first. Alright, so far that's it. Because it is a Yaki Straight hair, we really don't need to do much to it. Alright, you guys can see it a little bit better. So I'm just gonna use a flat iron and go all the way through the hair. I'm wondering if I should take off some at the front. I'm kind of feeling this. You guys, I'm kind of feeling this. Alright, let's start with the back. This is a good hair to buy. You don't have to use a hot iron every single day. So this is something to consider. It's perfect for especially persons who cannot do their own head, do their own hair. And because it's Yaki Straight, all you have to do is just use the iron and go through it. You don't have to worry about if you can use a flat iron, yes or no. It is super easy, super easy. I want a little bend at the front of mine, and so I am going in like that. But this is super easy to use. The hair is very functional. Yes, this is what I'm talking about, girl. I love me a Yaki Straight hair. This is all you need. I ain't gonna do nothing else. Look at that. Let's do this side. And all I did was use the flat iron 3 times. Make sure the hair is combed through so you don't have any e-cups. And remember, the hair comes in a package, so you definitely need to do this. The most important part is at the front, just because you want this part to at least look like you done something. When you don't get all the back, the front, make sure you get the front directly. Guys, it is that simple. We are done. I love it because it is so lightweight, but it's giving full vibe, you know. Yes, I'm back to straight here. Oh, girl, what did you say? Because it is nighttime. I should be going somewhere. But this is the wig, guys. You don't need a lot. It is perfect. You don't have to do the edges like I did. I just wanted something just in case I'm gonna do something like this, you know. And let me show you how easy this hair is. If you go to work, say you're a girl to go out on the weekends and you have work in the daytime, sis, all you need to do is this. A ponytail like this. So perfect. Look at that. You don't even know it's a closure. Like, you understand me? And then in the weekends, you see, nothing. It still look the same. I don't need to do nothing, but it's perfect. So thank you to Julia's Hair for today's video. I will get into the cute part and I will see you guys in the next one. Make sure you check the description. Guys, the hair is in the description. Okay. I know I be over TikTok as well with these wigs, and you guys ask me. The videos are on YouTube here. A matter of fact, let me go over TikTok right now because it's a YouTube video. But yes, this is it. Let's get into the cute part. I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure you check the description and click the link. Get a wig. Okay? Bye.
So what can I say to you? But I'm off there, had to fall back. You got everybody thinking I'm all bad. You know the truth. I was always holding you down. You down, baby. Ain't what it seems for this girl. What is love? Love, what is love? Would you believe it if I told you all about it? But our pressure just keep adding up. Then we just get mad and fuck. We was living fast and fast. Just don't get me high enough. All these people always lying.